How to fix app not installed on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will first have to check out whether there are some app residuals on your Android or not, because sometimes the app already have some existing files on our device but we are not able to see them. So for that, just simply open up the settings of your Android and scroll down. Here select on the option of apps, then select the option of manage apps. Here search for any particular app that you are trying to install and open it up. Then click on the option of storage. After that, click on clear data. Here click on clear all data, and this way all the residual of that particular application will be removed completely. Now you can try to install the app and check out whether it works or not. One more thing that you can do is simply open up Play Store and in your settings click on Play Protect and click on settings again. Here you can turn off the settings or the scanning, and this way the App Store won't be scanning for the viruses, and this way you can install. But this usually happens when some file that you are trying to install has some viruses or some file which can hack into your device. That's why it is quite important to turn it on, and it is better that you find some other source where the which is genuine and won't give you viruses, but turn it off only if you can risk your device being compromised. So this is how you would be able to solve this particular problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.